If you are a real estate investor like me, whether you're brand new, you've got 0 deals, but you're a real estate investor up here, or maybe you're newer to the game, you've got a couple deals under your belt, and even if you're a seasoned real estate investor that's been investing for several years, you probably have this persistent question in your business. And it's the same question I had in my business several years ago. Where is the cash flow? Where is the generational wealth that I've been seeing and hearing people talk about online for years? But I've gone through and I've systematically solved those issues in my business to create something long lasting, long beyond my years on this planet. In the book of Ephesians in the Bible, chapter 5, verse 15, it says, "Look carefully then how you walk, not as unwise, but as wise, making the best use of the time because the days are evil." My name is Trevor B. West. I'm a multifamily real estate investor. Over the last 7 years, I've worked really hard and solved a lot of problems in creating cash flow that counts. And I've done it all while following the Lord Jesus Christ. He's changed my perspective in so many different ways. And you might be saying, well, hey man, I'm not a believer. Listen, I want to share right principles with you. I want to show you how to change your financial future forever by going through and talking about what does it look like to find a good deal, analyze that deal, fund that deal, close on that deal, and operate it into the future and build something that lasts beyond your years as well. If that's something that you're interested in, follow my page. Follow me as I go through and solve challenges in my business and show you all the challenges that I have overcame over the years. Not just so you can see me, not so I can have all the attention, but so that I can make a meaningful change in your life as so many others have done in years past. I look forward so much to seeing you on the other side. Subscribe to my channel and join this journey with me.